Install flat panel TV brackets. Watching TV is the best time for the whole family to relax and enjoy each other's company by the end of the busy day. Comfortably viewing your most favorite noontime shows or movies heightens the mood of everyone and is therefore enough to position your television on the best angle and height. Here's an easy way to install your flat panel TV brackets. Consider the type of TV bracket. There are 3 types of brackets to choose from. Low profile. This is the easiest way of bracket installation. It's just as simple as hanging a frame on the wall but can no longer be adjusted once installed. That means, the angle is fixed and the height is permanent. This type is the cheapest among others. Tilting. This can be limited to adjusting the vertical viewing angle. This allows you to move the TV panel up or down as you watch lying down on the floor or standing on a higher ground. This kind is a little costly compared to the first one. Full motion. This bracket allows horizontal swivel and vertical tilting. It can do a wide range of motions so as it is the most costly among the 3. In addition to being costly, it's usually more complicated to install compared to other types. Check the wiring. Upon deciding which bracket to use, check where you will run the wires so that it will look professionally clean. Ensure that cables won't tangle across the walkway to avoid accidents, especially to little children. By keeping the wires and cables mounted on a safe post, X, at the back of the wall, occurrence of accidents could be avoided. Gather the materials needed. The TV and the bracket should complement with regards to its size. You may ask the retailer to help you choose which ones best fit. You will also need the screwdriver to fasten the bolts. Make sure you have enough wiring from the position of the TV towards the electrical source or outlet. You may prepare electrical tape for tying up the wires. Mount the bracket on the back of the TV. Look for the holes on the back of the TV, that's where you will mount the bracket. Make certain that the bracket is properly aligned in the middle of the back of the TV. Put in the bolts associated with the holes using a screwdriver. You may add some washer to ensure it's tightly fit. Mount the bracket on the stud on the wall. The stud is the framework that supports the bracket on the wall. Drill pilot holes on the wall before putting in the bolt to attach the bigger bracket. Hold the bracket and screw all the bolts. You may ask for someone to hold the bracket while the other is screwing the bolts. Hang your TV. Hang the TV on the wall bracket. Tighten the nuts to make sure it is sturdy enough to hold your TV. There you have it. Quite simple and hassle-free. Watching TV will never be the same again.